I'm Tom Bachik, celebrity manicurist, and I'm going to show you how to do a waterless manicure at home with the tools I've chosen for the Tweezerman Goals manicure set. I love Tweezerman products because they're durable, they're precise, and they're easy to use. The reason we do a waterless manicure is so that you get the best possible shape and the longest wear when wearing nail polish. The first tool in our Tweezerman Goals set is our pushy and nail cleaner. We're going to use the curved side to gently push back the cuticle to create an even shape and loosen cuticle from the natural nail plate. I like to do a soft circular motion to keep it nice and gentle. It's important not to force back the cuticle when doing this because you might break the seal, which could lead to a chance of infection. So for excess cuticle, you can use the square side of the nail cleaner to lie it flat and just run it right along the skin to remove any of that stubborn cuticle that doesn't want to come off. Next, we're going to use the rock hard cuticle nipper to remove loosened cuticle and any pieces of non-living skin like hangnails. When cutting the cuticle, use the middle of the blade and not the tip. This way you get a nice smooth and even cut. Allow the curve of the finger to work to your advantage. So wherever there might be a little piece of cuticle or hangnail, rotate the finger so that's pointed up. Then use the flat part of your blade to simply go over it and remove it. If you use the tip of your blade, you have to worry about cutting a jagged shape into the cuticle, which will eventually become a hangnail. Now we're gonna create our length and shape. Shape is completely fashion preference. What do you like? You can have either a shorter, stronger shaped nail. Some people like a longer, more almond shaped nail. Use your Tweezerman stainless steel fingernail clipper to create your desired shape. We're gonna clip the nails starting in the corners towards the center of the nail. Then we finish in the center. And we do this so that it applies less stress to the natural nail and helps prevent the nails from splitting while you're clipping. The final step is the nail file. We're going to use the professional file to perfect our shape and finish our look. So we'll start from the side of the nail and in one direction file towards the center. And then we'll move from finger to finger in the same direction. And repeat on the opposite side, from side to center, to give us consistency of shape. So for me, it's all about balance and design. So for the nails to be symmetrical and even in shape is really important to the overall look of the manicure. Now that you've completed these steps, you're gonna have a professional waterless manicure at home. And you can get this look with the goal set that I created with Tweezerman.